Take a ride in the 2014 Grand Cherokee. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension control, electronic, hill descent control, exterior entry lights, roof rails, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights. Inside you'll find navigation system, rear view camera, leather upholstery, heated seats, airbags, driver, knee, heated steering wheel, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, multifunctional information center. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.